I'm going to taste the food, snack, and drinks from Thailand. You can buy these items in Asian supermarkets. Please check my video description for more information. I'm going to taste this Mediterranean white grape juice drink with Aloe. It's made in Thailand. I'm going to open it. Okay. Let's taste this. With aloe and the grape smell. Drink this. Good. Also, you can taste the aloe pulp in it. Very good. Not too sweet. Now I'm gonna taste Thai style instant noodle. Now this is made by Thai President Food Company. That's a major instant noodle company in Thailand. They got all different flavor of Thai instant noodle. This is noodle and this is the rice stick. And they got different kind of flavor. Also different kind of package. Now this one, that's in Thai language only. And this you got English and Chinese. The major brand called Mama, the major instant noodle brand. And the flavor, you got the pork flavor, you got duck flavor, you got Tom Yum Goong soup flavor, the shrimp seafood, and also you got the chicken flavor. So I'm gonna taste this pork flavor. Let's cut it open. Take it out. Noodle and the seasoning. Here's the pork flavor. So in the back you get this is the oil, and this is the soup base powder, and this is the chili powder. So we're gonna put all the seasoning into the bowl on the top of the noodle, and then we're gonna put in boiling water and cover for 3 minutes. Now we're gonna put the oil in there first. That's the okay. It's the seasoning. Let's put the soup base powder in here. Okay. Now we're gonna put the chili powder here. Boiled pork and this vegetable, and let's taste it. Stir it a little bit. The noodle smell. You can smell the pork flavor. Some noodle and the pork. Let's take this. So it got very good pork flavor, and the noodle is soft, so very good taste. And let's drink this. Very nice. I'm gonna taste this Squid seafood snack, sweet and spicy flavor from Thailand. I'm gonna open it. Open. Let's take it out. Okay, so there are 4 small pack in 1 bag. So let's open 1 small bag. So there are 2 in 1 bag. They stick together. So let's take a bite. Squid smell good. Crispy. Yes, it got sweet and spicy taste of the squeeze. Drink this. It's a good snack. I'm going to taste this dry mango fruit from Thailand. I'm going to cut it open. Okay, let's cut it. And they got a zipper here, so after you open it, you can zip it back. So that's a zipper. Take it out. There's the dry fruit mango. So there are 10 in here. So let's Take one. Smell mango. Very good. Take that. Soft. With mango taste. Very good. And the sweet, but not too sweet, like a fruit. Very good. Drink this. That's good. I'm gonna taste this Euro cake with Pandan cream inside flavor. This is from Thailand. I'm gonna open it. Let's take it open. Take it out. There's a bigger wrap. Okay. So there are six bags in one box. So let's open it. Cut it open. Take it out. And let's see what's inside. Open it. Okay. Goodbye. So it's pandan flavor and pandan cream. Let's take a bite. Nice. Soft. Good taste. Not too sweet. Very good. This. It's a good dessert.